Good morning. Welcome to our museum. Do you have a ticket?
Hello. I need one ticket. How much is it today?
It is $10. This price includes all halls. It is a good deal.
That is perfect. Can I pay with cash? I have $20.
Yes, cash is fine. Here is your change. Also, take this map.
Thank you, Elena. The map is very clear. Where should I start?
Start in the main hall. It is very large. You will see columns.
I see them now. They are very tall. This building is old.
Yes, it is very old. It was a palace before. Now it is art.
That is very interesting. I love old palaces. History is great.
I agree with you. Follow me to the hall. I will show you.
Thank you for help. You are a great guide. I am ready.
Are you alone today, or is your family here? Tell me more.
I am alone today. My family is home. They are very busy.
That is okay, Tom. You can see everything. Take your time.
I have many hours. I want to see dinosaurs. Where are they?
They are on floor 2. First, look at statues. They are here.
Okay, let us go. I like statues too. Are they from Rome?
Some are from Rome, others are from Greece. They are ancient.
I am very excited. Let us walk now.
Look at this statue. It is 2,000 years. It is made of marble.
It is very beautiful. The detail is amazing. Who is this person?
This is a king. He was very powerful. People loved him.
His crown is golden. Is it real gold? I am very curious.
No, it is painted. Real gold is in boxes. We will see it.
Why is the nose broken? Did it fall down? Tell me the story.
Time is very strong. Marble is very soft. Many statues break.
That is very sad. But it looks cool. It looks very ancient.
Yes, it has character. Do not touch the stone. It is forbidden.
I'm sorry, Elena. I will be careful. I will just look.
Thank you, Tom. We must protect art. It is for everyone.
I understand the rules. I respect the history. This is important.
You are a good guest. Look at the muscles. The artist was clever.
How did they work? They had no machines. It was hard work.
They used small tools. They worked for years. They were very patient.
I can see that. I am very impressed. The statue is giant.
Let us move on. The paintings are next. They are very colorful.
I like paintings. My sister is an artist. She loves oil paint.
Then you will enjoy. This hall is very bright. Follow me, Tom.
I am coming now.
This is our best hall. Look at these paintings. They are very famous.
Wow, the colors are bright. This painting is huge. Who painted it?
A famous French artist. He loved the nature. He painted outside.
I see the trees. The sun looks real. I like the water.
He used small dots. Stand back a bit. Now look at it.
Oh, it looks different. Now I see flowers. That is magic.
It is a special style. It is called Impressionism. Do you like it?
I love it, Elena. It feels very peaceful. I feel very happy.
Many people feel this. Art changes our mood. It is very powerful.
Can I take photos? I want to show sister. She will love it.
Yes, you can. Do not use flash. Flash hurts the paint.
I will turn it off. My camera is ready. Click. I have it.
The photo is good, but the eyes are better. Look at the frame.
The frame is golden. It is very heavy. Is it very expensive?
Yes, it is valuable. We have many guards. They watch every room.
I see a guard. He looks very serious. He is doing a job.
He protects our history. We must be quiet here. People are looking.
I will whisper now. Let us see more. What is over there?
That is the dark room. We have old books. They are very rare.
Let us go there.
Now we are here. Look up, Tom. This is the T-Rex.
My God, it is giant. Its teeth are sharp. I am scared.
Do not be scared. It is only bones. It died long ago.
How old is it? Is it millions of years? Tell me, Elena.
It is 60 million. It lived in forests. It was very fast.
The bones are brown. Why are they brown? I thought white.
They are like stones. They were in earth. The earth changed them.
That is very cool. Science is very interesting. I like these bones.
Look at the tail. It is very long. It helped with balance.
Can I touch it? Just a little bit? Please, Elena.
No, Tom, it is a fossil. It is very fragile. Just use your eyes.
I'm sorry again. I forget the rules. I'm just excited.
I know the feeling. Dinosaurs are very exciting. Kids love this room.
I feel like a kid. I want a toy. Do you have toys?
Yes, in the shop. We have many dinosaurs. You can buy one.
I will do that. First, I need photos. Stand near the head.
Okay, I'm ready. Take the photo now. Is it a good one?
Yes, it is great. You look like a snack. The T-Rex is hungry.
You are very funny. Let us go upstairs. Science is waiting there.
I'm ready. Let's go.
This hall is modern. You can touch things. Try this screen, Tom.
This is very cool. A hologram is here. It is a planet.
It is the Mars. Press the blue button. See what happens now.
The planet is spinning. I see the mountains. Science is like magic.
We learn about space. We learn about stars. Everything is connected here.
Is there a robot? I want to see one. I love smart machines.
Yes, look over there. The robot can talk. Go and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Robot. Can you hear me? My name is Tom.
The robot is thinking. Its eyes are flashing. Wait for the answer.
It said, "Hello, Tom." That is very amazing. I am very surprised.
It has a brain. It is a computer. It is very smart.
Can it do my work? I am very lazy. I want a robot.
No, it only talks. It can answer questions. Ask about the moon.
Is the moon cold? Tell me, Mr. Robot. I want to know.
The robot says yes. It is very cold. There is no air.
I prefer the Earth. The air is fresh. The museum is warm.
You are very right. Our planet is special. We must care for it.
I agree with that. Nature is very beautiful. Science helps us see.
Let us go now. The Egypt room is next. It is very quiet.
I am coming. This is fun.
This room is quiet. It is for history. Look at the gold.
It is very dark. The lights are soft. What is this box?
It is a sarcophagus. A king is inside. He is a mummy.
Is it a real person inside the gold box? I am very shocked.
Yes, it is real. They used special salt. The body stays long.
Look at the walls. There are many birds and many strange eyes.
Those are hieroglyphs. It is ancient writing. They told many stories.
Can you read them? What do they say? Tell me one story.
This story is about sun. The king loved light. He wanted to live.
He has many treasures. I see golden cats Why cats, Elena?
Egyptians loved cats. Cats were very sacred. They were lucky animals.
I have a cat. Her name is Lucy. She is a queen.
Then she is Egyptian. She likes the gold. Does she sleep much?
She sleeps all day. She is very lazy, just like a mummy.
That is very funny. Look at this ring. It has a blue stone.
The blue is bright. It looks very new. Is it very old?
It is 4,000 years. The stone is lapis. It is very rare.
I want a ring. It is very stylish. I like this room.
It is very peaceful, but we must go. The shop is closing.
Oh, let us hurry. I need my toy.
Here is the shop. We have many books. We have many toys.
Look at the dinosaurs. I want the green one. It has big teeth.
It is a T-Rex. It matches the skeleton. It is very soft.
I will buy it. How much is it? I have $10.
It is $8. You have enough money. Take it to desk.
I also want postcards. This one has paintings. My sister will like.
Postcards are $1. You can buy 2. Your total is 10.
That is my last money. I am very happy. This shop is great.
We have many gifts. People love the posters. They look like art.
I see the magnets. I put them on fridge, but I have no money.
That is okay, Tom. You have the dinosaur. He is your friend.
He is my friend. I will call him Rex. He is very cool.
Put him in bag. Do not lose him. He is very small.
He is in my bag. I am very ready. Did I forget anything?
Check your camera, Tom. Is it in bag? Check your phone, too.
Yes, everything is here. I am very safe. Thank you, Elena.
You are very welcome. I enjoyed the tour. You are a good guest.
I had a great time. The museum is amazing. I learned a lot today.
That is our goal. We want to teach. Knowledge is a gift.
I feel very smart now. Let us go out.
Here is the exit. The sun is setting. It is very beautiful.
The sky is orange. It looks like a painting. This was a good day.
I am glad, Tom. Will you come back? We have a new show.
What is the show? Is it about space? Tell me more, Elena.
It is about ocean. We have giant whales. They are very big.
I love the whales. I will come back. Maybe next month, Elena.
We will wait for you. Bring your sister too. She will love art.
I will tell her. She will bring her paint. She will be happy.
She can draw here. We allow the pencils. No paint is allowed.
That is good information. I will tell her. Thank you for everything.
It was a pleasure. Have a safe walk. The street is busy.
I will be careful. I have my map. I know the way.
Goodbye for now, Tom. Enjoy your little Rex. Sleep well tonight.
Goodbye, Elena. You are the best. See you very soon.
Take care, Tom. Wave to me now. I am watching you.
I'm waving my hand. Can you see me? I am very happy.
Yes, I see you. You are a friend. Have a lovely night.
Thank you, Elena. Good night to you. The day was perfect.
Goodbye.